Hey everybody, I just bought another tractor today. This one was a case that was at his son's place and he wanted to eat. The son wanted him to get rid of it. And I got dirt cheap. This is a 560 diesel, a standard tread. Serial number 5689 SYCC is the serial number. That makes it a 1963 model. So it's the last year they built these, or last part of the year they came out with a 706 later on. And just a little walk around. You can see the lights are correct and in place. The paint's bad, but it's not. It's tin's reasonably straight. This tire's alright. What they did with the wheel weights, they look like 4 weights. This looks like a W4 weight put on backwards. Should be the same wheel weights as my 6 has, as the wheels are the same as the 6. The fenders are bent a little bit, but that's to be expected. This has the wide fenders, like most of the fenders on 560s are about yay wide, about as wide as my hand. And these are the late ones. They extended the fenders and painted the dash black. I've got to change this. The hydraulic levers are original, but you see the add-on to them. And from the factory, they melt right here. Somebody made this and put on this battery box, and when I'm done with it, I'll take this. I'd put the batteries under here where they belong. And the engine's not seized. We lit it up, brought it home, checked the antifreeze and oil and fuel and hooked onto it and pulled it and it started up. And he didn't want to scrap it, so he gave me a deal on it. This is what I paid for it. Well, thanks for watching. You have a good day. More videos to come on the 560.